back to the channel. In this video I will show you how to organize your files like a pro using tags and groups. So let's get started. So firstly we are going to open File Explorer, then right click we are going to the folder where our files located. Now right click the file, any file you want to tag, click on properties and go to details. Here you will see tags option. Click on tags. We will add, for example, I will add work. Then OK. Again properties, details. Now open the details tab. Organize files by group. Click on sort. Then you see group. Here you will see tags like this. This is for games. This is for work. These are unspecified. The next is create custom group using file naming patterns. For example, I will show you. You will see this project number 1, project 2, project 3, project 4 and project 5. These all are categorized. Now use advanced search with tags. For example, I will type tag colon work. All the work images will be present. Then I will type tag games 1 and game 2. Then also you will sort from there according date modified, size, usually same size of files, and that's it. How you can organize files using tags and groups on Windows 11 without any extra software. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and drop a comment if you want more window tutorials. Thanks for watching.